Hi everyone, and welcome back to Learn English with KMR, the channel where you learn to speak English with real confidence and real joy. My name is KMR, and today I'm going to show you 5 simple, powerful ways to practice English every single day, and also how you can practice English every single day, even if you're super busy, even if you don't live in an English-speaking country, and even if you don't have anyone to talk to. This video is going to help you build daily English habits that actually work, small steps that fit easily into your life, so you can finally speak naturally and confidently. So grab a cup of tea or coffee and let's get started. The truth about learning English. Most learners think they need to study for hours, take expensive classes, or live in the UK or America to speak English fluently. But that's not true. Fluency doesn't come from where you live. It comes from how often you practice. And here's a secret. You don't need to study English harder. You just need to study it smarter. That means doing small things every day that help your brain stay in touch with English. Because when you use English daily, even for just 10 minutes, it becomes a part of your thinking, your speaking, and your life. So let's talk about 5 simple, powerful ways to practice English every single day, no matter how busy you are. Tip 1. Listen every day. The first and most important step. Listen to English every single day. Listening trains your brain to understand how English really sounds. The rhythm, the melody, the pauses, and the emotion. You don't need to understand every single word. Just let your ears get used to English. Here's what you can do. Listen to podcasts or YouTube channels for English learners, like this one. Watch short English videos, TED Talks, stories, vlogs, or even songs with lyrics. Listen while doing chores, walking, cooking, or exercising. It's not about finding time, it's about using time. Even 10 to 15 minutes a day can make a big difference. So, make English your background sound. Let it play around you. Your ears will start to pick up patterns, pronunciation, and natural expressions, without you even realizing it. Tip 2. Speak out loud. Every day. Listening is great, but speaking is how you grow. You don't need a partner or a teacher to practice speaking. You just need your own voice. Let me introduce you to one of the best exercises ever. It's called shadowing. Here's how it works. Play a short audio or video in English. Repeat what you hear immediately, like an echo. Don't stop to translate. Just follow the rhythm and tone. Let's try it together. I want to speak English confidently. I learn a little every day. I'm improving step by step. When you do this daily, even for 5 minutes, your mouth gets used to English sounds. Your pronunciation becomes clearer. Your fluency becomes smoother. Remember, perfection is not the goal. Consistency is. So speak out loud every day, and so even if it's just to yourself. Tip 3. Think in English. This is one of the biggest steps to fluency. Start thinking in English. Most learners make the mistake of translating everything in their heads. That's what slows you down. To speak fluently, you need to train your brain to think directly in English. Start small. When you wake up, say to yourself, "It's morning. I feel sleepy. I need breakfast." When you go out, the weather is nice. I see a blue car. That man looks happy. When you're working or studying, I'm focused. I need a break. I'm doing my best. These small sentences slowly change your mental language from your native tongue to English. Later, start saying them out loud. It's like having a private conversation with yourself. And it's one of the fastest ways to become fluent. Tip 4. Read aloud. Reading aloud is one of the most powerful and underrated ways to improve your English. When you read silently, only your eyes work. But when you read out loud, your mouth, tongue, and brain work together. That's how you build strong speaking muscles. Here's what you can read: simple English stories, short dialogues from YouTube videos, blog posts, or news articles for learners. Read slowly first. Focus on clear pronunciation. Then read again, faster, with more emotion and rhythm. Pretend you're an actor performing in English. This helps you improve your pronunciation, fluency, and confidence, all at the same time. Think of it like going to the gym, but for your speaking muscles. Tip 5. Use English in daily life. Now, let's make English part of your real life. You don't just want to study English. You want to live with English. Here are a few easy ways to do that. Change your phone settings to English. Every time you open it, you'll see real English words, like cooking, laport, Turks, like update, notifications, or delete. You'll learn without trying. Keep a short English diary. Every night, write 3 sentences about your day. For example, I went to work. I met my friend. I watched an English video. This helps you use grammar and vocabulary from real life. Record yourself speaking. At the end of the day, record a 1-minute voice note talking about your day. Listen to it later. You'll notice your pronunciation and grammar improving fast. Join an English group online. Telegram, WhatsApp, Facebook. There are thousands of learners just like you. Practice writing, sharing voice notes, or chatting. You'll make friends and improve your English. Watch short English videos and copy the sentences. Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts are perfect for this. Choose clips you enjoy: food, travel, lifestyle. It counts, and repeat what they say. It's short, fun, and very effective. Closing message. Here's the most important thing. Fluency doesn't happen in one day. It happens one day at a time. You don't need hours of study. You don't need to be perfect. You just need small, smart, daily actions. Make English a part of your everyday life. Your phone, your thoughts, your conversations, your music. Let it live with you. And when you do that, you'll stop studying English and start living in it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple English learning tips every week. See you in the next video. And remember, a little English every day builds big confidence for life.